In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Whop membership step by step so you can find the right community or digital product, complete checkout, and get access fast without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and platform guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you are signed into your account at whop.com. If you already have an account, log in so you can see the full dashboard and access the Discover area. Once you're in, you have two easy ways to find a membership. You can either go directly to the unique Whop link that the creator gave you, or you can browse from your home feed if you want to discover something new. If you are browsing on your own, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on the Discover tab. This is where Whop organizes communities, digital products, memberships, and other offers you may want to join. Take your time here and look through the options until you find the group or product that matches what you're looking for. When you find a membership or digital product that interests you, click on it to open the product page. This page is where you can review the details, see what's included, and make sure it's the right fit before joining. It's always a good idea to check the description, pricing, and any access details so you know exactly what you're buying. Once you're on the product page, look for the Join button on the right-hand side of the screen. This is the button you need to start the membership purchase process. Click Join, and Whop will take you to the checkout screen. On the checkout screen, you'll usually see a Products tab, where you can review the purchase details. Double-check the membership you selected, confirm the price, and make sure everything looks correct before you continue. If there are any billing details, payment methods, or subscription terms shown, read those carefully so you fully understand what you're agreeing to. After that, complete the secure checkout process, enter your payment information if needed, confirm the purchase, and finish the transaction. Once payment goes through, you should immediately gain access to your new Whop membership, depending on how the creator has set it up. If you don't see access right away, refresh the page or check your email for confirmation and login instructions. In most cases though, Whop will unlock the membership immediately after checkout, so you can start using it right away. And that's it. You now know how to join a Whop membership quickly and safely. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.